So if you listen to Sam Altman, in the near future, not only will you be less important, you'll be less important than the fax machine in the basement of the office that no one even knows about. Yes, Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, is on record for saying that in the future, 95% of creative marketing tasks will be done by AI, leaving you, and for that matter me, fighting it out for the final 5%, which, although he didn't say it, I assume means handing out flyers at the local bus stop. So the natural conclusion, time to throw in the marketing towel and become a bricklayer or a plumber? Not so fast, you marketing genius, you. First up, we're a long way from the kind of artificial generative intelligence that Altman believes will be able to replace the link between external and internal teams, creation, automation, strategy, delivery, and also make you that perfect Sunday ice cream on time. In fact, given how much we're warning about a tech bubble right now, I think we can safely say that our marketing careers are safe, for now. Which means, secondly, we're stuck with the LLMs that by now we're all familiar with. Unless you fell asleep in 2020 doing an all-nighter for your chief marketing officer. And LLMs, much as we love them, fortunately haven't replaced our jobs just yet. In fact, let's take a moment to say thank you to them. Thank you, dear LLM, for being a much better data computer than we ever were. Sure, we still have to mess around with spreadsheets, but you do all that hard work for us, and truth be told, crunching numbers was something we never enjoyed in the first place. Thank you, LLMs, for not being as creative as us. You don't wash yourself in the shower and then have that genius idea to have a singing sheep complaining about dandruff, like I did this morning. You got trained on as much bad copy as good copy, and it's us that gets to work out which is which. And thank you, LLM, for not being able to actually make the final decision based on that human gut instinct and emotional intelligence, because you never had that human soul inside you that says, yes, that's the killer headline. And thank you very much as well for doing the odd hallucination, otherwise known as making mistakes, because that means we just can't entirely trust everything you do, and there always needs to be someone to verify your work, which is us, the marketers. It's not just marketing where the human is still needed. Let's look at Klarna. In 2023, their CEO announced that they wanted to replace in Klarna as many human workers as possible with AI systems. And now fast forward to 2026, they're actually rehiring human agents as their customer service numbers went down the, well, you know what they went down. In fact, according to a survey by SurveyMonkey, more than 50% of marketing managers are now using AI tools to create and optimize content, such as SEO and social media posts, as well as brainstorming research and analyzing data. We're getting better outcomes, and we're doing less of the boring admin stuff that used to drive us crazy. See, we're still useful, we're still in there, and we're still making our companies money. The major issue with AI right now is no matter what we put in, we still can't see the big picture across multiple platforms all at once. Well, that's why at Brand24 we do it all for you. We're an AI-powered media monitoring and social listening tool that tracks brand mentions in real time across social media, news, blogs, podcasts, forums, reviews, the whole web. You get automated sentiment analysis, reach and engagement metrics, influencer discovery, competitor benchmarking, topic and keyword clouds, and a wizard AI brand assistant for instant summaries and reports to take all that heavy lifting from you. Click the link in the description for a free trial today.
La la, why is my wool so flaky today? I swear it's snowing off my head!